Go! You're in a race, Levi. No one can hold your bike for you.
That's right.
Go, go.
Good job.
Come on.
Good job.
So tips for getting this thing out?
Looks like Justin and Justin.
Hold back the tire to the access.
It's a lead.
That's okay. Good job. Okay, Justin's leading. Out of the women, I would say they're all pretty close.
Yeah, it's a pretty close one here.
You guys doing well? I did his back tire too.
You took it off the bike. You're at 1 minute 10 seconds.
That is looking good. Good job.
This is precious time. Waste during a race.
Yeah, you don't have to check that. You're good. Okay, she's out.
Here you go. Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
Oh.
Levi's getting extra credit.
Getting close over here.
I don't know. That's between.
Oh, I would have to give Levi a... Good job. Levi, are you done?
No,
You
I'm
gotta
not here.
Gotta pump it. The lady's doing.
Good job. Keep it up.
Okay, now how do I do this thing?
Okay. So, screw it on. I like to kind of have it ready to go.
Woo!
Yeah.
Got
Yeah.
it! Done.
I think you were on the wrong
Okay, so it's ready.
Yeah.
setting thing.
No, he was doing all that.
The large.
No, I had it on the smaller one. But
Yeah,
the
no, that's
seal
fine.
on
Just
it-
hold it down like that, and then put that on.
And then what do I do?
Okay, so once it's done, it's okay. It's not gonna hurt you.
Easy, man.
Okay,
Thanks for your
now
help,
when you push up, it's gonna. When you push up, it's going to let the air.
Yeah, see, that's the right one. But the seal
So
one is just.
You want to screw it all the way in.
When you push this up,
Yeah,
it's going to let the air in. Okay.
What are you pushing?
So this right here, you want to push it like that. So if this is hitting, you want to push this up. See those springs?
So, okay.
You can't screw up. Don't worry. Just push up. That's the pressure.
Like this?
You're okay.
I'm pushing.
It's okay.
It's going up.
Okay.
slowly.
No. So on this side right here, this is gonna come through. So you gotta kind of push the side like that.
Oh, got it. Okay.
That's close enough.
There you go.
Yeah, and you can do it slowly if you want. You can do it again.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're fine. That noise is fine. Push it up.
Keep going until.
There you go.
Is my step broken now?
Okay, stop.
I don't understand what happened.
You see put air in your bag. Sorry.
You're just the air.
I think it was between you two ladies right here.
Does it supposed to go this slow? To inflate?
Mine goes really quick.
It feels really slow. Like,
It won't overinflate it.
yeah, but
That was good,
going
though.
for
I
second
didn't know.
place.
Try that. Like,
Yeah, I had to use
There you go.
No, that one will play.
And split it.
So just pump it now.
Changing tires.
Yeah, good job.